This is a quick instructional video of pulling your inverter box out for a remount. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that your circuit breaker is off and pull the battery out if you want. So we're just going to go ahead and remove the top here real quick. Once you have the top removed, we're going to go ahead and take the bolts that are holding the inverter out, and then we'll catch up right after that. Once you have the bolts holding on to your inverter, go ahead and pull the inverter out, move it just out to the side, and then you can take some pruning shears or some tin snips, and we're going to go ahead and cut a little slot out of this section right here. Right above the hole where the other wires are going. I'm going to cut a little passage through there, like so, and then we'll show you how to reroute it. Once you have your box removed, we're going to go ahead and just kind of position up into the front of your box and just put some of your main wire plugs through the little notch that we did, just like so. And then we're going to put the top back on it, and we're going to go ahead and screw that back down and mount your top. And then from here we're going to go ahead and just position the inverter up on top of your box like so. And then you can tuck the majority of the wires back in, but you're going to want to keep your main wires, this green, blue, and yellow, out. And then we're going to go ahead and put a little spacer between these. Now you can just get a piece of cardboard and cut through it, and then kind of just space these things out. We don't want these wires touching because they get real hot. These are the main wires that go to your motor, so we want to go ahead and just make a little spacer piece like this. From here we're just going to go ahead and mount this inverter on top of the box. And the reason why we're doing this is these inverters get real hot. There's just not enough wind going through this sealed box here, so pulling this inverter out is absolutely a must. That way we can get some cross air through it. And there we have it. And then the rest of the wires down here on the bottom, you can kind of just tuck in those plugs, and we'll have a couple wires exposed, but this is going to be your finished product.